All right, enough is enough. Death is a fucked up thing. So, I lost my wife in November, and I just buried our dog that just put us together. It was us. So, I'm coming back, but this time it's going to be a little different. Um, my garage is an absolute wreck because I'm cleaning. My walls are going to be white. My floor is going to be clean. My white. My all my tools are going to be rearranged and things organized. Where I'm using my basement as well to organize things. And believe me, it's this is the first stage. There's no organization yet. So I'm coming back. So I hope you missed me. Love y'all. This is my hot water tank, auxiliary air tank for my air compressors. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Just had them available. But I had to patch a big hole here. I expect leaks there because it's just welded and no patch material yet. And I made several plugs that I just welded a end on. And I expect those to leak too. There was also a big gaping hole right here. So we're going to test it right now. If you hear a big boom, don't worry about it. Like I said, if you just find ankles in boots, just nice to know you, Kurt. Don't take me to Cartersville Hospital. It's actually making noise, like it's expanding across the concrete floor. I think I'll try it later when I put a real cap on that. Here's what really happened. No chaparral, but it's actually making noise, like it's expanding across the concrete floor. I think I'll try it later when I put a real cap on that. Ah, I was wondering about those two guys. Okay, that was just at 40 pounds. So we'll get some real caps and it's going to work.